Welcome to New English Stories. Learn English by listening to beautiful new stories.
Ella and the Wishes of Light. In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, lived a kind-hearted young girl named Ella. Ella had a heart as pure as the morning dew and a smile that could light up the darkest of days. She lived with her grandmother in a cozy cottage at the edge of the village. One day, while exploring the woods, Ella stumbled upon an old lantern. The lantern was ornate, with intricate patterns etched onto its surface. As she brushed away the dirt, a cloud of shimmering dust rose from the lantern, swirling around her. Suddenly, a magical being appeared before her, a gentle fairy named Aurora. "Thank you, dear child, for freeing me from my lantern prison," Aurora said, her voice like a melody. "As a token of my gratitude, I grant you 3 wishes." Ella couldn't believe her luck. She pondered her wishes carefully, knowing that they must be used wisely. "For my first wish," Ella began, "I wish for a bountiful feast to share with the whole village." In an instant, tables appeared laden with delicious food, and the entire village gathered to enjoy the feast. Laughter and music filled the air, as everyone celebrated the unexpected bounty. For her second wish, Ella thought about her grandmother's well-being. "I wish for my grandmother's health and happiness," she wished. Suddenly, her grandmother's eyes sparkled with renewed energy, and her smile grew brighter than ever before. The two danced together in the moonlight, their joy spreading to everyone around them. With her final wish, Ella considered the wider world. "I wish for the forests and rivers to thrive forever," she said. The trees grew taller and greener, the rivers sparkled with crystal-clear water, and the animals flourished in harmony. Ella's heart swelled with happiness at the sight of the rejuvenated nature. As time passed, Ella's village flourished, and her fame as a kind and selfless young girl spread far and wide. People from distant lands came to visit, hoping to catch a glimpse of the girl who had brought so much joy and abundance. But Ella remained humble, tending to her garden and spending time with her beloved grandmother. One day, as the sun painted the sky with shades of orange and pink, Aurora returned to Ella. "Your kindness and wisdom have warmed my heart," the fairy said. "It's time for me to return to the lantern, but I leave it in your care. If you ever need my guidance again, just light the lantern, and I will be there." Ella embraced Aurora, tears of gratitude in her eyes. She watched as the fairy entered the lantern, which began to glow softly. She placed it in a special spot in her garden, where it would always remind her of the magical adventure she had experienced. And so, the story of Ella and the Enchanted Lantern became a beloved tale in the village, passed down through generations. It taught everyone the importance of kindness, selflessness, and the incredible power of making wishes that benefit not just ourselves, but the world around us. And every now and then, when the village faced challenges, Ella would light the lantern, and its gentle glow would serve as a beacon of hope and inspiration for all.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.